This is Lodark new launched 13-inch Android car player. As we can see, the package is sturdy that can protect the product avoid damage during delivery. You also can customize the package you want, like put your logo on the box or change the design of the box. Just tell us your requirement. Let's open the box. There is a 13-inch car stereo with physical buttons. We can see that both ends of the product are wrapped with foam, and the product is packed in a waterproof bag, which can protect the product well. A pack of relevant cables. A pack of relevant screws. And the user manual. Let's unpack the foam and the waterproof bag to look at the details of the product. Normally, we will provide a 9-inch and a 9-turn 10-inch car frame. Welcome to contact us for more details of installation of the car frame. Now, let's look at the product. This is Lodark new 13-inch big screen car stereo with physical buttons. Adopts QLED screen and the resolution is 1920 by 1200. There are multiple interfaces on the back, including USB, HDMI, AV input and output, etc., which is very convenient for expansion. Next, let's look at the cables. This is the power cord. This one is the RCA cables. Here is the external card slot. You also can insert the SIM card here. And this one is camera input. This is the 4-pin interface USB data cable. Support wired CarPlay and Android Auto. And this is the 6-pin interface USB data cable. Also support wired CarPlay and Android Auto. Next is the GPS antenna. Then, this is the 4G antenna. This one is the microphone. Finally, a pack of the screws. Now, let's install these cables.